this. So the squirrel came in through the gutter. He's climbing up around the screen looking for a way to get in. So he's actually in the gutter right in here now, but I don't, is that him, a space or something there? I don't think it is. No, it's not moving. But he was right in here looking. And not really, so, yeah. So I know he probably sees the seed is in here and he would like to, oh, he did. He's already on top. I see him on the, oh, he's, he is on the top of the umbrella. Oh, this is going to be interesting because he can't get back where he was. So he's on that umbrella. Whoa. Okay. Smarty pants. You're fucked. Oh, I want to see if I can get a picture of him. I see the umbrella moving, so I know he's on it. Oh yeah, there he is. Okay, I see him right there. Umbrella. It's very bouncy. What you gonna do? Okay, is he on the second umbrella now? Well, we're not going out here until he gets his shit figured out, because I just don't want any squirrel surprises. But yeah. Whoa. Dropped a trip over something here. Okay. Let's see him there. Okay, good job. Now what? Now what? Yeah, now what? Yeah, you didn't really think this through. You didn't think it through. So now you're just yeah. See. Oh my goodness. I saw his tail right there. He's like, okay, I could climb down this. Now what? Oh my gosh. Yeah, you're gonna fit. Yeah, this door's not opening until he figures it out, because I'm not having any squirrel surprises, like in the house, you know, jumping out on me. Yeah, no. So, I'm sure you can. Oh my goodness. Okay, well, yeah, that's about all you can do, I guess. Yeah, this is just. Oh boy. See the squirrel mind at work. Yep. He's on the second umbrella here. So coming up over. Maybe he sees me. I see him. Her. I know which one you are too. I have seen you out there eating the seed. You are definitely in here to see if you can find a way to help yourself to the container. So you're gonna, what? Oh my gosh, okay. I feel like I need Mission Impossible music playing. Bum, bum, ba-da, bum, bum, ba-da. Diddler, diddler. Yeah, what you gonna do? What you gonna do? I don't know how to help you, so I'm just gonna watch, because maybe I'll learn something. Oh my goodness. I can see your shadow. You went over there. Okay, so there you are now. Okay, so how you gonna get up there? You might be able to do it. Or you might not. I don't know. Some things are easier to get into than get out of. So, and I'm gonna need to get up on a ladder and fix the entry point. How does the squirrel mind work? Okay, you jumped onto something, or off of something. No. Where did you go? Oh, you're on the pole. Okay, so now you're on the pole. You're going to be inside. Yeah, this is... I might have to... I might have to get... So you are now inside. And it is probably quite a scary place. I see you walking around the outside edge. Like, very careful, checking shit out. Mm-hmm, yep. Is it everything you thought it would be? Please, let there be a way out. Well, there is, but I have to open the door. You're a little troublemaker. You're a little troublemaker. Let's see. Oh, you're on top of that. Whoops. There you are. Okay. Okay. Just... Inspecting the mess. Yeah, there you are. It's like... See my ceramic chihuahua. If I tap on the... See you. All right, I'm gonna have to... All right, you stay there because I don't want you to go crazy. You haven't even noticed yet. You will lose your shit if you know if you saw what I saw. So, I think I'm going to. You stay. Okay. Come here. You can't get out that way. You'll have to go this way. Back. There. So let's see if you can see the little gift I gave. Where is she? Oh, she's behind the ball. No. Scared. You're scared. I see that. Door's open. Let's see. Do I have to go to the other side and scare him out? I think she'll figure it out in a second. She's scared. Alrighty. There you go. You're okay. You're okay. Just if you go, you can go behind the whole thing and get out that way. Let's see if she does it. No, I'm still running around over there. Okay. There. Almost. Rooting for you. Oh, you're going the wrong way. You can get out, you can. No, not that way. You cannot get out that way. Oh, that's interesting. Okay. Now you've pushed the ball out of the way. Well, no, it moved. It's kind of a dip there, so it's going to want to roll back into that corner. Oh, there you go. Whoa. There you go. You got it. You got it. God, you're so close. You're so close. Can you do it? So close. Oh, no. There you are. Keep going. There's nothing over there for you. Nothing over there for you. Nothing over there for you. Can't keep up with her. No, there's no way. Don't even dig a hole in the fence. Don't do it. If you cut through my screen, I'm going to be really mad. Because those are hard screens to replace. Maybe. You see it. You see it. If you just go fast enough. You're there. You're there. You're there. You're there. You're there. You're there. All right. Don't do it again. Yeah, don't do it again. Don't do it again. You come in through here, I have to let you out. Otherwise, you're stuck. Yeah, stop barking at me. Stop barking at me. Oops. Stop barking at me. You quit it. You quit it. Quit barking at me. I'm recording this. I'm going to put it on YouTube. Yeah, you did it to yourself, and I saved you, all right? It would have been bad news bears. You stayed in here. If I was gone or something like that, could have been big trouble for you, so you're welcome. Yeah, you're welcome.